Terengganu. Datang naik apa ni? Tadi daripada masjid lepas subuh kami datang naik kuda. Kami datang naik kuda, kuda ada parking dekat sana. Sandar dekat pokok kuda kepang. Jadi ini tempat breakfast, dia buka pukul 6:30 pagi, lebih kurang.
Welcome from Acad system. Today I'm going to teach about how to create a 3D view in Isometric using the AutoCAD. Alright, can everyone hear my voice? Alright. Okay, then before we start, I want to introduce what is the isometric. Okay. What is isometry? The isometry, it is a 2D method for the illustrating a 3D object. Projecting its height, wide, and depth onto the flat surface at equal angles. Typically, is 120 angles. The degrees applies without the perspective or the foreshortening. Today we are going to teach. We are going to learn about what is to draw the 3D isometric view. So what is it? Is like showing a dimension the object where the length, width, and the height are drawn at the equal angles. So parallel lines stay parallel and proportions stay accurate. It allows you to see the top, front, and the side at the same time without the perspective distortion. It have a three benefits. Have a accurate measurement and a clear visualization and easy to create and interpret. Okay, and as you all can see in the front that this is the image that we're going to draw today. And what is the 3D view is like this. So we're going to draw it out today. Okay, let's start it. Okay. Okay, before that we need to create a cross stand first for us to draw. First we build a layer first. We have for this 3D isometric, we will build some layer. One is the construction line and the object line dimension and the hiding line anything. But we build the first the basic one that is the construction. So we just name it cons. I make it as a white. Okay. So with this, it changes to construction line. Alright, but see on the image, we can total out. We see its height first, 105, and its height is it all add together is too close to the 200 like that. So we just build a square first. We 210. 200. Okay, this isometric is drawn in mm. Okay. And enter again, we draw it. Okay, 200. Okay. 200. And we draw a line here to create a simple construction. Oh yeah, like that. Okay. 6. Alright, so we use the trim to remove it. Wait. Oh, this. Alright, so we now have built a simple construction line already, so we can start to draw it now. We draw from this front view first. This front view at here. So after we need to make them equal, so we also will build a small square at here. So I name it as then tag and so then so we now can start to build, but we need to build a object line first. So we build again the layer. Alright. So we just add a new layer named as OBJ. Here you can change the color and the line type and also the line width. So I changed the is inclined and the line I make it is thickness, not thick. So we can start from. We start from here. So we use here. Yeah, we need to change it first. Change here. As the object, right? So if you want to like make the line straight, you can open this. If you don't want, you just close it to make it free. Just open here. So as see from the diagram, from here to here is 120. 120. And going to up is 10. Alright, so offset is also the same. Alright. After that, alright. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so here we just ignore here first. We start from the 60 first. So we just draw. Sister is start from the middle, so we just go to here. Or we can shift it to point is here. Alright, so we made the point again. So the 60 divided by 2 is 30. So we just go up. Just look here. Right. Because here have a circle, we can't depend the line is how much. We just simply tick at here. 60 also. And draw it down. Okay, now we're going to draw the circle. The circle start from down to up is 105. Oh yeah, just now you guys realize I have set the line is thick because but here didn't show it because I didn't open this. If you open it, you can saw it, but now I doesn't need, so I just close here. Okay, so we draw a center line from here to up to here for us to easy to draw a circle. So we just need from 2 points here, here, alright. Up is 105 Okay, here we draw the circle. In here, they are using in diameter the measurement, so we can change circle to a diameter. Okay, so we just draw it. The small circle inside is 16. Right, and we just again enter the circle. Draw the outer is 70. Oh, sorry. Over. So here you can, so here line is reached to here. So we can use the trim to remove it. And now we here we are draw the here, the line here first. And so it start from middle is the tree. So we just draw it up. Draw it up. But before that we make a line at here first. So we just build it. If from the middle to up is 42. Right, and here to here is like 1/4. So 1/4. Okay, so we go to the right is we just simply set it and build a line again. Six. Alright. Okay, now we can draw the middle here. Go to up. And here is 3, so 3 divided 2 is 1.5. So just simplify and go to the left is 3, enter and go to up. So we can use the trim again to throw it away. Alright, and offset from here to here it is 32. And here also 32. So we just draw a line again. From here to the left is 32. And go to left. We close it first. Let's open and close this. And draw a line again. 32. Enter and go to the bottom. Choose it again. I don't want it detach the point, so I can just go straight. Alright, 6. So we can use the trim again to trim it. Okay, let's see. And here also need to draw. And also here we see the arrow is pointed to here, so we can here have a fillet, and here also. So we draw the middle first. The middle is start from the middle to up is blue. So we can fill the for the it's three. We have to explain. So we just go on or we close it again. Like that. Wait. And go and down. We just open. Let's true. And we use the trim again. Throw it away. Throw it. So we know we need to make a fillet here and here. Here the fillet here is 16. So we can use the simple way is use the 10 radius. We just point here, here, and insert the radius. So it's 1/6. Here also say 1/6. Here is 5. So we just after we use the trim to remove it. We have the small one, so we just throw it. Here throw it. Here also throw it. And here also throw it. Because we only saw this surface, it doesn't have any line plotted at here, so we can just remove it. Oh, here the line is gone, so we just add in. Okay, here is the surface we can look from the front, but we actually know we there have a hiding line because here have a hole and here go through that. But after we draw the side view first. Okay, so we repeat the same thing is from here. Here the point is from here. So here is 42. From the thing is 10. Okay, go to left is left. After is here we doesn't know. So now we can like exchange here to the construction line, and here we choose this as our construction line. Okay. So at least we know that the how we need to draw the circle is start from here. So we exchange it. The circle is also from here. So we just draw. Okay, go to right. Here is showing is 4. And go up. Up is the circle is the 70. So we can see. And go to is 4. So like that. After that here From the middle to up is from this hole from to the middle is 42. So we can just, if I can click meet between the 2 points, is here, here, alright. So we go to up is 42. Go this and we build a circle. The circle at here is using the we use the diameter. We draw the small hole first. The small hole is the its diameter is 1 2. And the biggest hole here is its radius is 1 4, but times 2 is 2 8. Alright. After that, because here it doesn't show the line, so we can build a construction line. So we here exchange again and build a construction line at here. Like this. And exchange there again. Okay. So we are complete here already. Delete. So we can remove. We can use the tree to remove here. Here the line it doesn't show it at the diagram, so we can just remove. Okay. After that is so here we can draw out. Okay. Let's see. Yes, we can draw it out. But as we can see here, if I connect to up, like it doesn't stay at the middle. Its middle it just reaches to a middle point, but here it reaches like up there, upper there. So we also must build another construction line. Here. So so its thickness is 6. Let's see. This one, and here another line here. Okay, here as you can see at here, we have the line is connected to this point. So we must draw another one. Here is down to up is to connect to here. Correct. So we use the trim to remove it. After that, now we want to draw the top view already. So we just build the top view. Well, the side view we see at here is just like this. Heading line we also draw later. So here we draw a bit rectangular. So it's 4 2 and 1 2 0. So we insert 1 2 0 have after that is, as you can see here, have go up a little bit. So we can build construction line. Oh, sorry, I have forgot to extract. Okay. So from this construction, we can get here is the place that it came out. So we just follow it to draw. For construction, you no need like every part to draw it. You can just draw the part that you want to draw first. After that, the final, you just draw the construction line. So it is from here, 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 here. Alright, so we can remove it. But we can remove because if just remove it like don't know how to draw. So from top we can't see this line, so we just use section. After that, as you can see, if top also have these things here, so we also build the construction line. So we can get it here is the place that is we can show from top this part. So we also have that and then draw it here. So we can remove the construction line again. Alright, as you can see also here, it have a curve. So we also must draw it. The curve is 6, so to easy for us, I also use the tangent radius 6. Right. So we remove again. And here also have a circle like here. So we need to know the coordinate. So we know from here to here it is a meter to 1, and here is we use a minus is like 120. 120 minus 60 and divide by 2 is 1.5. So we just make a so is 1.5 tag to 1. Okay. We also the same is the 1.5 also tag 1 to 1. Here the circle test is the diameter is 1.5, so we actually change to 1.5. Oh yeah, it's already into. So now we can remove the edges of support. Okay. Now from top to down is alright. It here also have a line it cut through, so we must also build it. So we just simple. We also build a construction line. So we just draw through. This okay. So we can remove again. But because it cut through here, so we can't saw the line again. So we use the trim to remove. And see here remove. Yeah, but here we still can see the down part, so we won't remove it. So here is the surface we can saw it. So now I'm going to test the hiding line. The hiding line we also must build a new layer, and so we just name it hiding. The color we choose others is I choose this color. This. This I use the settings. Wait a minute. The hiding line we need to change the line type. So we need to load the new line type. So we just find the I choose this as our hiding line. We can switch this okay. Wait a second. I think I changed it. Yes, I changed already. Okay. It is our hiding line. Okay. But before that, we need to build the construction line first. Too easy for us to draw the hiding line. So what is hiding line here is the hole we can see from here, but from this surface we can't saw it. So we must build a construction line here. It says enter here. So we exchange to the hiding line. The here, here. Just below it. So we finish, we can remove it. Yes, it is called as the hiding line. And after that is here. Here also have the hole. We must draw it out. So we also repeat the same step. The same step is here to out. Here to up. Here to up. Okay. And here we also can show the circle. So we also must draw the hiding line. We just step by step to draw the line, draw out the line. Okay, now we refer to here. Here it was plotted, but here the behind also have a line here, so we must build another heading. The construction. Here for the circle, we can saw it from the top, so we also need to build again the thing. Here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay. So we draw the construction line again. Okay. Now if see at here, here also have a thick wall at here, but we can't see it, so we must draw it again. This wall is 6, here also 6, so we can just draw through it. Just draw from here to here. 6, 7, 7. Alright. And right here also have a wall. Here the wall. So we also must draw another the construction wall. So we do wall here. But here have a curve. Let's say we also will see a curve at here. So we also must build it. So let's also draw a construction and then for the 3D view, the curve also must draw it out because we also can solve it. So what we will do it, we draw the heading here to here to here here to here to here. To so we can remove it. Alright, and here also have a heading line, so we also must draw it again. to here. Here to here. Right. So we delete it. Alright. So just now I have saved the curve, also must include it. So we must change the construction to draw out the curve. So here is the curve, so we must draw it out. 6. Here also the curve is connected to here. So we can draw as the object, right? So we draw here. Here is a curve. And here the curve is here. Okay. Sorry, I think I draw wrong. Here. Here also can saw the curve. Alright. And now like we have here we need to alright. Now like we have completed the drawing. If I do like that. Now for construction, if you want to draw, you just use the normal line to connect it. But I won't show it because it's just like point to point like that. Just like this, here you just connect to the here also need to draw another construction line. Sorry. Use the heading line to draw. So every time you draw a construction is to double check. So you can point to point to check it that is equal. You just use a line, the normal to connect it. Just like that. Okay, but object, if you see here, the line, the highlight is on the top of the object line. So if you want to, I think it's hard to see, so I just open it. Yes, if you see the header is on the top of the project line, if you doesn't want, so have one way is like this. You can close the heading line and the construction line at here. Just turn it off. Right? So you just cover it with so if you saw it, this means that you move the layer up. This means you move the layer down. So I want to make it up, so I just click it. Click it. After that, I open again the hiding line. Sorry. And I'm going to try it. And try to make the layer. Okay, but if you can try it, because normally it will like move down, move it up, down. You can try it yourself. Okay, over the construction, you can draw it by yourself. Now I'm going to teach about how to draw the center line. The center line, if use the normal way, you can, I build a new layer, I need CNT. I use layer color. The center line, okay. I change it. This is the one of the way. Here you can find out the center line. You just look it, okay. But if you use this, you must draw by yourself. At here, just can see you must draw by yourself. If you doesn't want, have another way. Since is here is the second way that is more faster. So I change this to the continue first. Okay. So you go to the here. Do you saw the center line and the center mark? So you can use the center line to point the first line and then the second line. You can build a new the center line already. It will the center line type it will make it by automatic make it by itself. But for a circle you can use the center mark to mark it. That is more faster. Okay, just like that. Okay, after that I going to teach about the dimension. So if the normal dimension yeah, for dimension you also need to build the new layer. So you just DIM simply you make it. So I use red color. Actually, still good. So the dimension you can just build it actually. Oh, sorry. So you must create and change to the diameter. Okay. So every you must set if for this layer 1, then you set the dimension. The dimension you also add by yourself. I just pick some way. So if the dimension you doesn't want like this, you can go to annotate. Here the dimension. Here is the dimension style. So you can if the AutoCAD has some dimension style, you can change it. So you can change to but before that you must select it. Let's do this. But sometimes you doesn't want like that. So you can go to manage the dimension style. I want this to change to ISO. So I can click it and modify. So here is the dimension, the setting. So for this, the arrow I want it more bigger. So for that, I think okay. But here I make it bigger. So here is 5. is 2. Okay. And the arrow I made it more bigger is I set it as 3. And then the text is a number of the unit. So if you want it, if you saw here, the number is follow the line. So if you doesn't want, so you can set it horizontal. Yes, in behind. And the line is at above. Only the somewhere it will become center. If you want it always center, you can set it here, center. Alright, it's easy. Alright, here is the arrow for this. If you doesn't want, you can change it here. Sorry, let me test it. Yes, you can change it here, like this. It will become like this. So you just okay, close, like this. But if you want to make the text bigger, oh sorry. Alright, so you can modify again. Make the text is 3. Enter. Okay, close it. And it will be bigger. Alright. So just now also we set it like that, so you can just this. Right? So I think this is all for me today. Anyone have any questions? No, thank you very much. If you need no more info about the Acad system, you can go to our website. You can go to our just Google Acad system, enter. Yes, this is our company website. You can know more information about us. If you want to see more, here is our other lesson. The next class is this, and my next is the Hyman. Because you can join it. So, and here is our physical class. You also can go to know more about it. And here is our contact number. If from beginner one is KL, so you can contact. And here is our Facebook, YouTube. So if you want to see more video, so you can go to here. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is me. Yeah, you can see more video. And here, if you want to learn how the technique in drawing. All right, this is all for me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for joining.